Propel app's mobile asset maintenance. Technicians face tough challenges every day in asset maintenance. Critical equipment goes down. Manuals and troubleshooting guides are hard to find, especially on site. Every minute waiting for the right answer means more downtime and pressure. Complex safety procedures, work permits, and asset information need to be accessed fast, and errors can be costly. This is where our solution comes in. Propel app's mobile asset maintenance. Once you log into the asset maintenance application, your mobile device is instantly synced with all the latest data from your SAP HANA or Oracle Maintenance Cloud system. Whether you're in the plant or out in the field, you get a live connected view of everything that matters. Work orders, asset details, notifications, and critical safety transactions like permits and clearances. But the real game changer, our embedded AI chatbot. Imagine this, you're mid-repair, facing a fault, maybe the ERP temperature alarm. Instead of searching across thick manuals or making frantic calls, you just ask the chatbot in your own words. What should I do when I get an ERP temperature fault? Within seconds, the chatbot pulls the right answer from the correct manual step-by-step instructions customized for your asset. The source document is shown for reference, so you know the guidance is accurate and up-to-date. Need operational details? Just ask. What keypad button puts the drive into local control mode? Immediately, you get a clear answer and a reference from the manual. No guesswork, no delay. Sometimes you need data in a table format like grease quantity per NMA, frame size for ABB induction. Modo, the chatbot fetches and displays the relevant table, letting you scroll and interact as you need. For safety procedures, just ask. You'll see step-by-step instructions, complete with reference images, so you don't miss a detail. For panel operations, ask about display panel keys, and the chatbot shows a visual map with each button's function, making unfamiliar equipment easier to understand and operate. Stop searching, introducing the hands-free AI chatbot that unifies all your maintenance. It searches across all your manuals and troubleshooting guides, not just one asset, but your entire document management system. If your equipment is covered in multiple sources, every relevant document is cited. You can interact by typing or even just speaking, a lifesaver when your hands are busy. And soon, audio playback of responses will make it even easier to follow instructions while you work. Our AI chatbot gives every technician instant access to expert knowledge, right at their fingertips, reducing downtime, improving safety, and boosting productivity. No more hunting for answers, guessing, or waiting for help. Just ask and get what you need when you need it.